This message will find you when you need it the most. I am your spirit guide, and today I bring you the divine code 222. When you see 222, it is not a coincidence. It's a sign that balance is being restored in your life. You've been questioning, waiting, and wondering if things will ever align. The universe is whispering, yes, they're aligning right now. 222 carries the vibration of harmony, peace, and divine timing. It means that what you've prayed for, what you've manifested, is already on its way to you. You might not see it yet, but behind the scenes, the universe is moving every piece into place. I am here beside you, guiding you through this phase. Trust that the people, opportunities, and blessings meant for you are coming closer. Release your fears, let go of doubt, and step into your calm. The number 2 is about faith, relationships, and alignment. When it repeats 3 times, it amplifies your connection to your higher path. So when you see 222, pause, breathe, and remember, you're exactly where you need to be. Stay gentle, stay patient, and stay open. Your spirit guides are near. I am with you now, holding your energy in light and love. Believe, because 222 means it's already working in your favor.